What is the advantages of library automation? There are multi-type advantages in library automation. The important of them are the following. Number one, it increases productivity in terms of both work as well as in service. Number two, it extends library services beyond the library peripherals. Number C, it allows participation into outside networking systems for the resources sharing of the libraries. Number 4, it creates economy in expenditure. Number 5, it does proper and optimum utility of library materials. Thank you.